In this video I will show you how to download and install the Callers Caddy. So here we are on the homepage of Callers Caddy. Here you can switch between German and English, and the download button, it's in the menu, or if you scroll down in the right sidebar. I click on download and we land on the download page. Here are the steps how to install it. It's quite easy. This zip file you have to download is only for initial installation, so I wrote it in bold letters to say it clearly, because in this initial installation there are files included like an empty database file or an empty ini file in which can parameters be configured. So you just want to start with them once, and for later updates you will use another zip file that won't overwrite your existing data. That won't be nice. So just click on download package for the initial package. You have to download it from my Google Drive server, and this comes it's a virus scan because the file is over 100 megabyte large and no virus scan can scan it at once, so just download it. But I do regular virus scans, so you don't have to fear that. Yeah, when the file is downloaded, you can see it here. Just right click on it and use extract all. I'm using a German operation system, so translate it into English for yourself. So I would suggest that you install it onto the C path, but you are free to use any other location for the Callers Caddy. Then I extract all the files which are included in the zip files, and after a short while everything is here. The Callers Caddy path is now here, and if I open the path you can see all the files. So that's it. You don't have to install anything. It's just unzipping. All the program parts will work independently. So after this short installation, now I start the callerscaddy.exe, which is a program. On the first time, the virus scan often tells me that he doesn't know my software. I think it's a common issue with all the softwares. So I will execute them nevertheless. So first thing is to choose a language. We start in English, but if you are a German user, then you would use German. The Callers Caddy can work in other languages too, so it's be prepared. If there are anybody saying, hey, translate it to whatever it is, Spanish, French or so, then let me know. Yeah, that's the Callers Caddy. It starts with a quick tour which explains you all the elements. I will start it not now because I am recording these videos to show you how to do it. But if you are more happier with exploring it by yourself, then you can use these tutorials. They are all here listed, and you can repeat them anytime you want. So that's for the installation. It's quite easy, as you saw. Just download and unzip and open. Yeah. In the next video, I will explain you the first elements of the Callers Caddy.